How to apply for PSW visa in UK. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up your browser and search for graduate visa UK, and then you need to open up the very first link that you will see in the search results. This is how it will appear. Then just simply open it up. Now this will redirect you over here, and here you can see all the details related to this particular visa, which is also called as graduate visa. Now here you can check out the documents which will be required, and also check out the cost of this particular visa. Now this visa will give you the permission to stay in UK for at least 2 years. And before applying, you must check out the eligibility criteria about this particular visa, and if you fulfill all these details, then you can move ahead and simply scroll down, and over here you would be able to find the option of apply online. Simply click on it and this will take you over here. Now after that, you just scroll down and here check out some more details about it. If your partner or your children are going to stay with you, then you need to apply for them. Separately, and you can also check out the details regarding that by clicking on this option of partner or children. And for now, you just have to scroll down in order to apply for yourself, and just simply click on this option of start now. After that, wait for it to load, and this way it will ask you some questions like where are you planning to live, and all the different details about your passport and other stuff. And after you give out all the details about you, you would be able to apply for this particular visa quite easily. And this is how you do it. I hope this short tutorial was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button, and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.